Welcome to my channel, Passport Geek. Today we are under the subject Mature Mickeys to show our first time experience on the newly renovated and upgraded ride at Disney World's Epcot named Test Track. This won't be a narrative video because I think the footage will speak for itself. We did the standard line for this. We usually use FastPass everywhere we go because all of the Fast Passes were out. So we waited about an hour and a half, never again, to ride this attraction. Was it worth it? Well, surprisingly, at the final stretch, we thought it was. After watching our video, do you think it was worth it? Comment below. For now, enjoy our experience on the new Test Track.
Ooh, this is cool. They don't do regular cars no more. They do like futuristic. Oh, that's cool. So cool. You know, that's included blue and all that stuff. Stood online when they see the video. Considered real. And I'm taking advantage of this for Two. Can we be in the front? Got to take the car.
I see it.
Hello! The seatbelt check is around the corner. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Good man.
Welcome, drivers. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the Test Track.
I've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now, we've set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help you. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises. Ooh, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
This one.
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I can get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
Our test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there? Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.